Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can download and install latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up any browser that is installed in our computer. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up. And after that, in the address bar of the web browser, we will type the web address as code.visualstudio.com. And after that, we will hit the enter button and we will open up the website. In this website, we can directly see the option for downloading for Windows. And if you click on this down arrow, it will open up the options for downloading the installer for different operating systems. Here, I will click on this download for Windows option. It will download the latest version of Visual Studio Code. It will download the installer. Now we will wait for this download to finish. Now here the download is finished. Now if I take the cursor on this download option, then we can see a folder icon which says show in folder. When we click on that, it will open up the folder where the downloaded file has been saved. You guys can see VS Code user setup x64 and some version number. This version number will change depending on when you're watching this video. Now in order to install this, we just have to double click on this file. And here we will accept the agreement, and after that we will click on next. It will display the path where the Visual Studio Code will be installed. If you want, you can make a note of that. After that we will click on next, and after that we will click on next. Now here we can select some options. For example, if you want a desktop icon, then you guys can check this option. And also I want the open with code option when I right click on a file, and also I want the same option when I right click on a folder. So I will check all these options. After that, click on next, and after that click on install. Now it will extract and install the Visual Studio Code. We just have to wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, it will display this particular option. We will check this launch Visual Studio Code and we will click on the finish. Now it will open up the Visual Studio Code. When Visual Studio Code is opened for the first time, it will display the options to customize. Now here we can select the theme. I always prefer dark theme, so I will select that. And after that, you guys can see some of the options are available. For example, we can sync to and from other devices. We guys can set up the shortcut to access everything, support for all the languages, and some other customization. If you want, you guys can do that. Here, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to click on this mark done. Once we click on that, it will take us to this particular page where we can create a new file or open up a folder and start working. So this is it, guys. This is how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.